Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is stuck in a tight range between 84,500 and 81,800, consolidating without a decisive breakout. Right now, it's hovering around 83,100, sitting dead center between these key levels. Looking into the 3-day liquidation heat map, there's a clear tug-of-war between leveraged longs and shorts. On the downside, a heavy long liquidation cluster is stacked at 81,200, while shorts are sitting in a hot zone at 85,600. But the real signal comes from the 2-week liquidation heat map, which paints a more one-sided picture. There's no significant downside target, only the liquidity buildup above, making 85,600 the level with the strongest magnetic pull. With multiple long positions open, I obviously favor the upside. However, Bitcoin's next move hinges on traditional markets, and their opening price action will be key. If we shift focus to SPX and NDQ, we see an interesting setup. Both printed a bullish divergence on the 1-hour wave trend chart on Friday. Money flow is trending upwards, nearing a crossover into the green, signaling potential strength. Given Bitcoin's renewed correlation with these indices, a move higher in traditional markets could act as the catalyst Bitcoin needs to break through resistance. Without a clear push from macro forces, Bitcoin might remain range-bound for now. The lack of major regulatory updates, institutional movements, or high-impact news means price action is purely liquidity-driven in the short term. For real-time insights and trade discussions, join the free Discord. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. And see you in the next one.